In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a work light from the company OUTPEAK. Check this out, everybody. Number one, look at how well they made this case. This is a hard shell case with like a rubberized gripped webbing handle that is super strong. This thing is very durable. I love it when a company gives you a good case. And the zippers are like coated rubber and very nice quality zippers on that. But let's just open it up and kind of show you. Let me show you exactly what you get with this thing. I have been using it for about, a few weeks now, really kind of putting it through its paces to see what I think about it. Number one, you got the light itself right here. Just going over some of the things on the light. OUTPEAK multifunctional travel light. The wild nature is calling. Well, how cute is that? I do too. 60 hours of SOS lighting, mosquito repellent. Well, I probably disagree with being a mosquito repellent, but IP67 waterproof. It's a 10,050 milliamp power bank and a strong magnetic. Right there's the magnet, by the way. And then you got the on and off, and check that out. That's like a little brake hammer if you ever need to use it to break something. And it has a lanyard right there. And to open it up, you open it up right here. The USB-A coming out, USB-C going in for charging. 3 indicators, 30, 60, 100 there. How do you get that on that? Oh, that's when it's charging. It shows you when I did charge it, it does that. And this thing is waterproof, temperature proof, pretty much everything proof. Has a little lanyard spot right there. But let me go ahead and put that aside and let me show you what else you get in this thing. Here's the lanyard that I like. I took the lanyard off, but I love how this lanyard mounts on there. It's a very high quality lanyard too. Look at that. There's that. It's got this ring. I didn't use this ring, but the ring goes down on there and it gives you a place to hook onto. You get a little set of instructions. And here's the cable, which is a very interesting cable. I know y'all are probably looking at this cable. Why has it got 3 things on it? Well, it's got lightning port, which is iPhone, a USB-C, which is pretty much everything in the world. Well, iPhone 15 now, they got with the program. And USB Mini, for all of y'all that are still hanging in there with USB Mini, check it out. 3 of the major attachments out right now. And a very high quality cable too. What else? Oh, this was the little thing wrapped around the cable. And just going over some of the lighting features of this thing, by the way. So let me show you this. So you mash that button once, and the light will come on. I will show up in the screen. I'll show you using it at night because I did use this thing at night and kind of like show how well this thing works. 3rd time is the low. 4th is what they're calling the amber, which is like, it's more of a mosquitoes will not be drawn to it. They're not going to be repelled away, but they will not be drawn to like amber or yellow type lights. Then you get the red flashing light, which would be great for changing a tire or kind of like signaling or like car trouble or something like that. And that's pretty much everything with that. There's several ways that this thing can charge. Oh, there is an app for this, by the way. This thing has string lights that is available. There's 2 options. You can get like just the light itself, which is the work light I have, or you could get the string lights that hook up to it, and you hook this app up to it and the different types of settings that you'll do on your lights. I don't have that feature, so I'm not going to cover that in this video, but if I do get those lights, I will do an updated video on how to use those. But this is something I highly recommend for anyone that's like working on a project or traveling. Just keep this in your car at all times. I'm going to have this in my glove box in my van, so I always have it with me for camping or doing anything like that. Or because if I have a car trouble or something, I could use the red flashing, stick it on the side, and I'll be a little happier having that watching my back while I'm changing the tire or something. But yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today for the OUTPEAK multifunctional travel light. See y'all in the next video.